Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. To withdraw money from your Phantom Wallet, start by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your mobile device. Ensure you have the address where you want to send your crypto. If you're using Binance as your centralized exchange, open the Binance application. In Binance, tap on Deposit, then Deposit Crypto. Select the desired cryptocurrency like BTC. Be careful to choose the correct network, for example, the BNB Smart Chain. Copy the address provided. Now, back in the Phantom Wallet, tap on Send. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, for example, Solana. Paste the address you copied earlier. Enter the amount of crypto you wish to withdraw and tap Next. Follow any additional steps prompted by the app. Once everything is confirmed, your money will be withdrawn from your Phantom Wallet. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.